Hello everyone. Course BSc, subject physics, paper quantum mechanics first, astrophysics and nuclear physics first. Chapter subtopic shell model, basic assumptions of shell model, presented by Vommalingaya B. Shell model. Nuclear shell. Explain facts about the nucleus. According to shell model, nucleus consists of subshells and shells closed with suitable number of protons and neutrons. To explain the similarities of stability between the magic nuclei and inner gases, it is assumed tin shell model that each nucleon moves independently inside the nucleus. Relation between oscillator quantum number n, nuclear orbital quantum number I, radial part of the wave function n is n equals 2 into n minus 1 plus L. Sorry, this is L. That is equal to 2n minus 2 plus L. The spectroscopic notation similar to the electron as L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Equivalent to spectroscopic notation SPD of GH. Assumptions of nuclear shell model. Nucleons form closed subshells within the nucleus. The shell get closed with a suitable number of protons or neutrons. Each nucleon move independently inside the nucleus in a fixed orbit under the effect of central potential. Paired nucleons inside the nucleus contributes zero spin and zero magnetic moment. Paired nucleons inside the inert core and do not contribute to the properties of the nucleus. Each nucleon possesses spin angular momentum root of s into s plus 1 into h cross. Each nucleon possesses orbital angular momentum root of L into L plus 1 into h cross. The properties of odd even or even odd nuclei are characterized by unpaired nucleon and odd nuclei by the unpaired proton and neutron. The potential energy is analogous to the Coulomb energy and the orbit of nucleon is analogous to an orbit state of an electron. Each nucleon is independent particle and interaction between nucleons is very small comparing with interaction between a nucleon and potential field. The nuclei including magic numbers, infinite square well and harmonic oscillator potentials are considered. Predictions. Stability of magic nuclei explained by shell model. Shell model predicting the ground state spin and parity of large number nuclei. Magic movements of the nuclei. Electric quadrupole movement of odd mass number and odd atomic number nuclide based on the assumption that the electric quadrupole moment is due to unpaired proton. Successfully explain the phenomena of nuclear isomerism. Drawbacks. It could not explain the spherical shape of the nucleus, excited states of even nuclei, measure the quadrupole moment of the nucleus, magnetic moment of nucleus, probability of relative transitions. References. So here there are number of books through which you can study for getting more information. Thank you one and all.